how would you like to have your own personal equity analyst deliver an investment memo into your email inbox every morning with an idea that actually fits your investment philosophy and process? Well, that's what we're gonna create in a new 5-lesson course. And not only that, we will also make a reference implementation available for those who don't have the time to go through the entire course. And the basic idea behind this course, which I thought would be a great value add to any investor, is to create an analyst that is self-improving over time. So you may have heard about loops. They're all the rage in AI right now, and what it basically means is that there's some way to have the analyst receive and process feedback so that he improves over time. And the way this is going to work is in basically the best way that I can imagine for a non-technical investor. You're basically going to be providing feedback to this AI agent in the same way that you would do to your own equity analyst. So when that investment memo comes into your inbox in the morning, you can literally just hit reply and send an email to say, hey, this idea was fantastic. It really fits my approach. Or you could say, this idea just is not what I'm looking for. And you can provide any kind of feedback, any kind of training that you would provide to your own equity analyst. And then that agent puts that back into the engine and improves over time, so that after a bunch of emails go out and you reply to them, and by the way, you don't have to reply to every email. This is completely at your own leisure, how fast you want to train this equity analyst. But basically, over time, you will be getting ideas into your inbox, basically sourced from 50,000 plus public equities that fit your preferences exactly. And a human analyst, frankly, could never deliver this kind of output and productivity. And the bottom line is, do those ideas actually fit your investment philosophy and process? Are they compelling? Because if we can get this engine to actually deliver ideas where when that email comes in the morning and you read that investment memo, you say, wow, this is really compelling. This fits exactly what I'm looking for. Then I think there's huge value to this kind of an equity analyst. Also, this analyst knows accounting as good as or better than a university professor. The analyst never sleeps, never gets sick, never complains, knows valuation as well as Aswath Damodaran. And so this is really something that I think could add huge value if done right. And back to that reference implementation that I mentioned. So we're going to have something that is going to be super straightforward and easy to add to your idea generation process to implement immediately. There's going to be some simple instructions. So if you don't have the time to go through the course, or you don't really care to learn Claude Code and know what's under the hood, that's fine. We're going to provide both possibilities. I personally am excited to go through the course and learn how everything works under the hood, but that's not a requirement. And in both cases, that analyst will work just as well, and it'll be self-learning over time. So this course will launch fairly soon here, probably in a couple of weeks, and stay tuned for the exact launch announcement and date. It'll be available to our paid Latticework Substack subscribers as well as MOI Global members. So if you're not a paid subscriber yet, I encourage you to sign up now so you can get started on this course and get that analyst working for you as soon as possible. Thanks, excited to have you as part of this, and I'll see you again soon.